I've been at the Crisis Center for 3 years, and we didn't have a board retreat process. So as we were moving through our strategic plan, we recognized that we needed to do some board development. So through the Nonprofit Leadership Center, we were able to query our board about what do you need, and then be able to tailor a specific program to that. And we've had, this was our second year doing this as our board retreat. I only have the board together for a very short period of time. It's a 4-hour segment. And we have entrusted the NLC to be about 3 of that 4 hours. That's how valuable we find it to be. And it was a lot around development, but it was also around corporate governance. You know, when you bring a diverse group together, everyone has their own level of expertise or level of interest. And so to really give them somebody who can help to make sure, again, from a culture perspective, everybody understands what their role is, everybody can be engaged, ask questions. It again starts that process by which people can start asking questions both there, but then moving forward throughout the board process. So again, it's been an invaluable service for us.